Welcome to this new video. For this new video, we will use Blender version 4.2, but it will work starting from version 2.8. We select the scripting workspace because the goal is to see how a Python script can be used to generate an animation. The script used is an example that I created some time ago. It allows creating an animation based on the theme of the Sieve of Eratosthenes to find prime numbers. The link to the script is in the video description. We copy and paste the script into Blender's script editor. We click the Run Script button and a few seconds later, voila! The objects are created, each with its own animation. I display the timeline and move the cursor to highlight the overall animation. We are going to increase the number of cubes from a total of 125 to 1000 by modifying the BigCubeEdge variable. We rerun the script. This will take a while. On my computer, it will take 4 minutes and 30 seconds to complete. I'll spare you that with a cut in this edit. Here we go, let's see what it looks like. Here is a nice big cube made up of 1000 small cubes. A little focus on Cube 76 as an example. We see the keyframes set for it by the script in the timeline. To display the entire duration of the animation in the timeline, we select Frame Scene Range, and to see the keyframes, we check the Channels option. Let's see what it looks like for Cube 66. Spoiler, it is not a prime number. And now for number 3, which is indeed prime. So, each cube has its own keyframe animation, and all of this was entirely generated by the script, fortunately, because it would be tedious otherwise. Now, to finish with a nice image, we will work a bit on the final image of the animation. Let's switch to rendered mode and start by moving the light so that it is roughly in the center of the big cube. Choose an interesting camera position and adjust it as best as possible. Set the render settings to get a 4K image with not too many unnecessary samples, and also remove the denoising. Press F12 and here's our first version. Adjust the environment to be black. Now we are going to change the appearance of the prime numbers displayed by activating the emission on the principal BSDF shader with the right color and a power value of 2. That looks good. F12 for the final render, and here are the prime numbers from 1 to 1000 with an aesthetically pleasing graphical representation. Thank you for watching this video. You know what you have to do if you liked her. See you soon for the next video.